all the children in this area, only you want to be useless. Aya! Aya, I will take you to where your mates are going. You will make money. Hey! See your mate. See Ejiro. See Fanny. Everybody they buy motor for their papa. It's only my son. The only work is to be doing courtism up and down. Today, I'm taking you to taste the wine.
Papa, no get mine. I don't get mine for this ritual.
Okay, but you can't buy to join court. I'm taking you to taste the wine. You must make money by force. You must make money by force.
This man!
Come on here. Where's the wine? Well done. Good afternoon.
What brings you to my shrine?
Where's the wine? Thank you. This boy is the most useless boy in our street. All his mates are rich. He's the only poor man among them. That is why I brought him here, so that you will help us to make him rich.
I can see riches all over here.
Hey.
Young man, are you ready to pay the sacrifice?
He's ready. Anything at all it will take for this boy to become a millionaire like
Can you pay the price to become a rich man?
Here's the wine. He's ready.
Then you must bring me your father for the sacrifice in order to make money.
He shot you!
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Oh, no. No, too much.
O amor, onde cambia.
No.
What's over here?